Hey you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little bit crazy, y'all. I don't have my lashes and stuff done, but we're gonna go ahead and do this Shein haul really quick. I'm really excited about this. I split it up into two parts because it's a lot of stuff, but let's go ahead and get straight into it because I have a lot of stuff to cover. So yeah, I'm gonna put myself like in a corner up here so that I can kind of interact with you guys and talk about, you know, some of the stuff that I got if I have something to say about it. If not, we'll just go ahead and move on. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to show you guys are these mini sanding bands. In my last haul, I had got a 50 pack and I absolutely love these, so I decided to get some more, and I only get the 240 grit in it, but it depends on your preference. I just feel like this is a fine grit for my natural nail bed and I absolutely love it. It gets into every crack and crevice and it cuts down on the prep time for me, so I decided to get more. The next thing that I got are these easy French nail art stencils, and I saw a hack on TikTok where somebody painted the gel paint on the stencil and then pressed it onto the nail, and then it kind of gave them like a guide to doing the French. So I really like that, so I decided to get this. Originally I was just gonna buy the V-cut and the deep French, but then this full pack with all of the different stencils was like $3 or $4 for everything, so I decided to just purchase this one because you never know. But I'm definitely gonna try that hack, my bad y'all. And I have makeup on my dental bib, but we ain't about to waste it, so just ignore that little stain, y'all, my bad. So yeah, this is pretty much how it looks, and we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next thing. So y'all, I'm really excited about this. These cat eyes, I decided to only buy 2, and now I'm gonna go and buy some more, y'all. They're so beautiful, and if you look on the side there, you see that little magnet. I thought it was gonna be a super huge magnet, like they made it seem like it was gonna be so big, but I suggest you guys watch a video on how to use the magnets because I was messing up, y'all. Like I was like, how do people do this? So I had to go watch a video, and then I kind of learned how to move the magnet around. And this is just with one coat on a clear base, so just imagine if you put it on a black background. So I just went ahead and put the magnet to do the design that I wanted, cured the first coat. You want to make sure you cure after every single coat after you put the magnet on, and then you want to go in with the second coat, and it's gonna look like you're covering everything. Then you go in with the magnet again, and that's gonna basically make the design pop, y'all. And look how cute that is. Now this color, I don't know if I'm gonna be using it like that because I don't know, I wish it had like a silver gold in it as opposed to this gold, but I'm still gonna put it to use. But I was just trying out, like, you know, the magnet and just seeing how it works, and y'all, I was so fascinated by this. In person it looks really beautiful. I might do a set with this and do like some gold nail gems and stuff like that, but y'all stay tuned for that because I'm really excited to use these, and I'm definitely gonna be purchasing more. I want like a baby blue and silver one, and I also want a green one, and I want a red, and then they have the double color magnet one, y'all. I'm just gonna be buying a bunch of these because I think they are so beautiful, and for the price point I would definitely say purchase it because I see people selling these on TikTok live for like $10 each. Look at that, y'all. I'm just playing with it, but it's so beautiful. I absolutely love it. But I see people sell it for $10 each, and TikTok got it for like $2 and some change. So y'all, it's high quality. The magnet is magneting, and y'all look at that. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So yeah, the next one is this Annie's brand, which is different from the last one that I showed you guys. And this is pretty much how the box looks. This is how the bottle looks, and this is the color and stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing, paint on the base of the nail, and this blue is absolutely gorgeous. I did a set with this blue, y'all, and it looks so good. I think I might insert a clip so that you guys can see it, just to give you guys a sneak peek because I have a tutorial on that. So I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to put it in there. I'm going to show you guys so you guys can really see what I did with this one, because I was like, I have to use it. So I used it like immediately after I did this haul. So as you guys can see, I'm doing the same thing with the magnet just moving it around, and it just looks so dreamy. It looks like stars, like a galaxy. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I'm definitely going to be reusing this color for sure. I don't know about the first one. I might use it for a quick set, but I don't know if I'm going to be reusing it. But this one for sure, I'm going to be using it. I can't wait to get red and green in it. So yeah, y'all, after I go in and cure the first layer, I'm gonna go on with a second coat, and then I'm gonna do the magnet thing again. You can do 2 or 3 coats with this. I just did 2. That was just my preference, but you can do 3. But I feel like the 2 was just enough. I did not have to go in and do 3 because the magnet is very, very strong and the particles move, so it didn't give me any issues. So as you guys can see, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing, y'all. Put the magnet on there, and look at that. Fire. Fire, fire. Look at that, y'all. So, so pretty. So we're going to go ahead and move on, and I'm going to show you guys how they look side by side after I cure it. But as you guys can see, the magnet works. Even though it's smaller than I thought, it is still very, very powerful, y'all. The magnet was getting stuck to my phone and everything, so it is very, very strong. So this is the blue one, and then I'm gonna do like a side by side with, oh my gosh, y'all, so beautiful. I absolutely love them. But let's go ahead and move on. I'm gonna top coat these, and we gonna move on. All right, so in these next segments, y'all, I'm gonna be showing you guys some nail gems that I got, some crystals and stuff like that. The camera doesn't do them justice because, you know, there wasn't really any like serious flash, or it's not outside, but I can say that the quality of the crystals are really, really good, and I'm definitely gonna purchase some more colors. I just needed, you know, just a few different colors because I always work with A, B, and crystal clear and stuff like that. So I decided to get some more colors just to bring out my sets a bit more. As you guys know, I'm trying to build up my collection of nail charms and stuff, so I decided to just go and get some different colors and stuff like that, and I'm just showing you guys examples of all of them. The clarity is really, really nice, so don't sleep on Shein, because if you go on Amazon, you're gonna be paying like $9–10 versus $4 to $5 on these. And if you want the super big box, they have that as well. So if you are a beginner, or even if you just want to have your own gems for if you get your nails done at the salon and you want to put the diamonds on yourself, I would highly recommend going on Shein, y'all. The clarity on these is really, really nice. They're super duper shiny. The camera doesn't do them justice. Now, y'all, let me tell y'all about the shipping, okay? My freaking package came late. They had it at the warehouse or the Amazon place for like 4 days straight. They didn't move it. And then when I opened up my box, like, I saw a bunch of little small teeny tiny pink diamonds. Thank God it wasn't the big ones, but yeah, they was throwing my package around. I know it wasn't Shein, I know it was USPS. But yeah, y'all, we move on. So this is how they look. Super duper cute, super duper shiny. I'm gonna come back when I'm showing you guys something else. But I'm just gonna be opening up all of the packages and showing you guys how all of them look one by one. I got blue. I think I got green. No, I didn't get green. I'm gonna get green. I gotta get green and gold because I didn't purchase those two mistakenly, so it is what it is. But yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you guys them, and look how beautiful they are. Clarity is on point, y'all. They are very, very nice, so y'all should definitely get them. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to be showing you guys are these stars. I use stars a lot in my nail sets, especially when I'm doing like a junk nail or a nail that requires, you know, a lot of nail charms. I feel like the stars are very, very needed, so I decided to get them. They have like different little shapes and sizes or whatever the case may be, but a lot of them do look kind of similar. but I don't mind because I know that these are going to be of good use. Like, I know that I'm going to use these, so it is what it is. That's why I purchased them. And then I got like these chrome, is it chrome hearts or something, palm angels, I don't know, but these little crosses and stars and stuff like that with the white and the black. I decided to get them just so that I could have them, because you never know. You don't always want to keep it with the silver only. You want to get different, like whites, blacks, the dark silvers and stuff like that, the dark gold, just to have a different variety. So that's why I got this one. But now we're moving on to like these pearl looking things. These are like the orange one. I've been seeing people do a lot of sets with these, like the textured sets, the aura nails. So I decided to get me some because I want to do an aura nail set, and I think they're pretty. A lot of people, like, you know, it's not their cup of tea, but I feel like this one, the white one, is much more usable. You can do like a lot more with it, but I'm still gonna do an aura set, y'all, period. So the next thing that I got are these little star clusters, and I think they're so cute. So I think y'all should get these. They're really, really cute, especially in person, like really shiny. And the next thing that I got are these crosses, y'all. And these crosses are super duper huge. Like, I don't know how to explain it to y'all. They are big, y'all. Like, the crosses are super, super huge. I also did a set with these crosses. I'm giving y'all sneak peeks of the tutorials that I have coming up. So y'all should like and subscribe to my channel, because these tutorials that I'm about to show y'all, okay? They are so cute. So I'm gonna show you guys the set that I did with these crosses. This cross is super huge, so I don't recommend them if you're not gonna be doing long nails with them. As you can see, this is how big they look. And I'm gonna kind of get some other crosses to show you guys how big they are, but the shine on them and the clarity is really, really nice. So 10 out of 10, I love these, love them. And this is like the smaller version of it so that you guys can kind of gauge to see how big it is. It may not look that big, but once I show you guys the set, you guys are gonna be like, yeah, for sure, they're big. So I'm gonna insert the set right here. And then the next thing that I got is like this little white glitter. I wanna do like the Let It Snow thing, because I've been seeing that everywhere, and y'all, the top just flew away. But I wanna do the Let It Snow design, or like the ho ho ho, I don't know which one yet. So that is coming up soon, so y'all stay tuned for that. All right, y'all, so I got these Hello Kitty little nail, well, not little, y'all, they're huge. This is another one. If you're doing any nails, if they're not long, you shouldn't put this on a nail. Like, this is like the biggest thing. I had to put them in 2 separate compartments because they're that big, but you can't really tell, but I'm telling y'all, they're huge. So yeah, but I absolutely love them. The clarity on it, like, is so pretty. I can't wait to do a set with these. And yeah, so y'all, let's move on to the next thing. And this is what made me so mad. I purchased this 16, look at this. I squeezed it and all of it oozed out the bottom. I was so mad about this, and I don't think this was even a thing on the postal department's part. This is on Shein. The jars, like when you squeeze them, it busts out the bottom. And this is not the only one that did it. I didn't even want to swatch the rest of them because I was just so annoyed with it, because I tried to stuff it back into the bottle. I don't know what's the fix for this. I don't even know how to reseal them. I tried to use my flat iron to close it shut. That didn't work. It just started melting the plastic. Then I ended up just curing whatever extra was just oozing out after it took me forever to push it back in. Y'all, I don't recommend buying these because they really made me mad. And I'm just being real. Oh my god, these made me so mad. I was so annoyed, so I decided to just stop here, and then I'm gonna upload part 2 tomorrow maybe, but I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more content from me, and love y'all. Bye.